Imagine a machine that can predict crime before it happens. One city believed it could save them, but they had no idea what it would actually reveal. The AI predicted a burglary down to the exact street, and when police showed up, the criminals were already there. But then one researcher discovered something terrifying. The AI wasn't predicting crime. It was predicting who the police would target next.
What happens when you try to predict crime before it happens? Northwood is breaking, budgets are cut, police are stretched thin, and crime, it's rising fast. The mayor wants results, but Chief Lena Harding, she has no more officers to give. Then, a solution appears, not human, not emotional, an algorithm. They call it Project Sentinel, a system that doesn't just track crime, it predicts it, patterns, data, probabilities. For a city drowning in chaos, this feels like control, and Harding makes a choice. Trust the machine. 10 years of data, every arrest, every call, every report, fed into a neural network built by Alex Chen. To him, data is truth, clean, objective, perfect. But there's one problem. Data remembers everything, even the past we'd rather forget. The map lights up. Blue means calm. Red means danger. Riverside District, Tuesday night, 75% chance of burglary. It's precise, almost too precise. Harding feels it for the first time. Power. Sergeant Mike Riley waits in that red zone. Feels ridiculous. Until 10 p.m., two men breaking into a pawn shop. Caught, just like the machine said. Next morning, headlines explode. Predictive policing works. But not everyone is impressed. Dr. Imani Kenyatta sees something else. She overlays the data, and what she finds is chilling. The red zones match old red line neighborhoods. Same communities, same people. Different decade, same story. So she asks, is this predicting crime or predicting where police will go? Because where police go, they find crime. And where they don't look. More patrols leads to more arrests, leads to more data. More data leads to stronger predictions, leads to more patrols. The system isn't reacting, it's reinforcing. Like a snake eating its own tail. Inside the police force, tension rises. Riley believes in it. It made him right. But Officer Maria Garcia, she sees something different. Fear, resentment, distrust. They don't see us as protectors anymore. They see us as inevitable. The city council erupts. Logitech says it's just math. Dr. Kenyatta says math can inherit bias. The room splits, not over technology, but over truth. Show us the code. Logitech refuses. Trade secrets. Profits over transparency. So the city makes a deal, an independent audit, and what they find changes everything. The algorithm wasn't racist by design, but it learned from biased data, arrests, locations, history, all weighted heavily, and history was never neutral. The machine didn't invent bias, it optimized it. They don't shut it down, they rebuild it. Dr. Kenyatta joins the team. They clean the data, shift the priorities, from arrests to community signals, from punishment to prevention. Now the system finds something different. Broken streetlights, abandoned buildings, neglected spaces, and instead of sending police, they send solutions. City workers, outreach teams. Fix the cause, not the symptom. Years later, Northwood feels different. Less tension, more trust, but not perfect, because a new problem appears. The digital divide. Some voices are heard more than others, and the system reflects that too. Because here's the truth. AI doesn't fix society, it reflects it.